Hey, it's Liz with Crafty Queens. We're going to take some mini spoons we got probably at clearance at Hobby Lobby, and we're going to paint the inside with white chalk paint. And then I did take a little nail file and go around the edges to clean it all off. We're going to use Dottie, our little dotting tool, and we're going to put some pretty little eyes on here. And then we're going to take some blush and a makeup brush, and we are going to apply some blush on their little cheeks. And we're going to make the tiniest little noses in the world. One has a honker and one just has a little bitty one. And then we're going to use the smaller side of our dotting tool and give them little mouths. I did take a palette knife and some white paint to put snow on their nose, and then we gave them eye shine. Oh my goodness, they're so cute and little. We're going to dry all that. And then we're going to take this red and white shirt that I've been using. It was all stained up, so I've been cutting it up and using it for bows and things. We're just going to give these little snowmen some scarves. I gave one a thicker one and one a skinnier one. And then I took some Mod Podge and sealed this all up and gave it a good dry. And then I took a shot glass and I stuffed it with foam. I think I had like a pool noodle. I think that's all I used in here. Maybe some styrofoam. But just a pool noodle. And then I cleaned the glass with alcohol, and I'm going to put some white chalk paint all around that. I just didn't want any streaks, so I used a little dauber. And it gives it a pretty texture as well. Gave that a good dry. I did a couple coats, so it was nice and thick. I did do the bottom, and I do go around the rim as well at the top. And then I just kind of painted that white just in case any of it was going to be shown. And then I used this faux snow that I love, and I'm almost out of it. This is my first year using it. It has some glitter in it. And these would make really cute, like, faux edible looking things, like whipped cream and stuff. And then I just applied that faux snow to some different places throughout the shot glass, the top and bottom really thick, and then throughout the center of it, the tops of the little spoons, on their scarves, just wherever you want it. And then when it dries, you see like this glitter shimmer in there. It's really pretty. I gave everything a good dry, and we let it sit overnight before we got pictures and videos, and you guys, they turned out so stinking cute. Look at them. It's so tiny for like a small area, small shelf. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.